Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the educator here, and this video I'm going to be explaining how you can generate your matriculation number directly from the DELSU portal, and also how you can check for your school fees. Alright, so because I've been receiving a lot of questions as regards this, so I decided to make this video. Alright, so the first thing is to go to our browser. That's Chrome. Alright, preferably please use Chrome. Alright, so before you start anything, you should ensure that you have activated the desktop mode. Before then, let's quickly check out the site. So the link, we have student portal. So it will bring you to this interface. Okay, now you can see why my one is like this. The reason why it's like this is because I've activated the desktop mode. Remember, how to activate desktop mode? All you need to do is to click on these three dots here. All right, so after I've clicked on these three dots, you can see desktop mode here. Desktop mode has been activated. That's this guy here. You can see it has been activated. So if I deactivate desktop mode, this is how it's going to be. Okay, and if I should log in like this, I might not see some details. So we are going to go back to activate our desktop mode. All right, so this is it. So the next thing for me to do is to log in. All right, so I have password and you know your password and username by now. Okay. So now once I log in, I'm going to see something like this. Okay, going to see something like this. You can see your medical screening and your screening form. All right, so I've made a video on how to full medical screening appointment. You can check out that video, and also how to print your screening form. But in this video, our major concern is how to generate mat number. Okay, so when you log into your portal and you see something like this, okay, if you see something like this, it means that you are eligible for generating your mat number. Okay, it means you are eligible for generating your mat number. All right, so all you need to do is just to click the generate matric number. All right, so and one thing you take note of is that this process cannot be undone. It's not a reversible process. All right, so once you generate mat number, you have generated mat number. Your mat number is your mat number. All right, so you see the instruction here: print out your screening form before you accept the matriculation number. And I assume that this person has printed screening form, but if you have not printed, please ensure that you print your screening form. Obviously you should have printed your screening form, because definitely you can't screen without a screening form. Okay, so I know a lot of questions have been coming in. How does the screening work? I learned that it's online and offline screening. Very correct. So the online screening basically is just to verify your O-level results which have been uploaded to your portal, to verify if it is correct. Okay, so what you need to do is just to go with your scratch card or your token. So if it's WAEC, you go with your scratch card. Then you go with your token to your department. Okay, when you get to your department, to tell you the necessary things you need to do, and right there you will do your online screening and you will do your offline screening. That's where you move. Right, all right. So without making much of our time, the next thing is to click on get matriculation number. All right. So as you can see it here, you can see the matriculation number. Okay, so matriculation number has been generated. You can see it here. Then the next thing is to click on accept matriculation number. But before I do this, let's shut this page. Okay, so please, as much as possible, try to screenshot this page. Just look at the instruction there. Once I log out immediately, all right, once I accept, I'll be logged out. And once I log out, if I am logging in again, I'll be logging in with my matric number. So you should get that at the back of your mind, which means that you should screenshot it and have it at the back of your mind. So all I need to do is just to copy this matric number. I've screenshotted it already, but let me see, copy, then matric number. Okay, so I've been logged out already. As you can see, I've been logged out already. So we're going to log in again with my matric number. Now you can see, so login. So you can see automatically your portal has changed to a student portal. All right, so if you can remember all those details like payments or medical payment or all those stuff that you were seeing in this particular place, you can't see them again. That's the stuff you were seeing around this picture. You can't see them again because you are officially now a student, not an aspirant again. Okay, so now the next thing is click on the optional payment fee below and make payments before proceeding to pay your school fee. So the next is to pay this optional fee. Then once you click on that, you now start seeing your payments for your GSE and all the stuff like that. So you can see it here. All right, see everything there. Then as soon as you pay, let me go back. All right, as soon as you pay, you can click on your school fees, and you can see your school fees have been generated for you. So you can see this is your school fee. So this portal is from Ecology Student Portal. So you can see it's around 265,300. Okay, so if you want to pay school fees, just click on pay school fees, and if you want to print it, just click on print the break, and you can see here. You can Okay, that be printed. Remember, I explained how to print a form from your phone or how to print something from your phone. It's just very easy. You click on it, right? Click on it. Okay, so I click on it now, and next thing I click on is here. Okay, click on share. So I have it here. Next I click on share, I'll see something like this. Print. Okay, so I'll click on print. All right. So once I see this, just a minute, it's loading. All right, so you can see it here. So I'll just click on print PDF and I'll come to my folder. You can see here. All right, you can see. Then all I need is to save, and it's the same on my phone drive. Okay, so it's still loading. All right, so it has been saved on my phone drive. Okay, so if you have any question as regards this video I have just made, please do well to indicate in the comment section. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any update as regards DELSU. Okay, so if you're a DELSU student, a fresher, just did admission, ensure that you are a subscriber to this channel so that you wouldn't miss out on very, very important updates. See you guys in the next video.